ONEDON gang tapes reveal plot to rob businessman of licensed firearm and resell it to him. Orders to murder their cronies, plans to steal a licensed firearm from a businessman and resell it to him for thousands of dollars, and the gangster's dealings with corrupt police officers. Those are some of the conversations captured on tape now being replayed in court in the ONEDON gang trial. The conversations were secretly recorded by a self-confessed former gang member, now prosecution star witness. The cell phone recordings are crucial to the prosecution's case as it tries to nab the 33 defendants charged on an indictment with 25 counts. On day 65 of the Klansman gang trial, the alleged gangsters were heard laying bare issues facing the criminal organization, including disloyal members and money woes. They were exploring different strategies to address the issues. They talked of plans to smuggle a cell phone into the jail cell of alleged leader of the ONEDON faction of the gang, BLACKMAN Brian, and plans to rob a businessman of his licensed firearm and sell it back to him for $500,000. Also heard at court today was a conversation with the sole female defendant, indicating she was receiving crucial intel from a member of the constabulary about their investigation into the criminal organization. The witness had previously told the court that CHRISTIE aka MUMMA would give police information on the alleged gangsters who had become disloyal and threatened Brian's reign. This morning the court also heard CHRISTIE in a recorded conversation admitting to receiving information about the probe into the gang from members of the constabulary.
Yeah man, I him from a pin to a anchor tell me the things them man. Eh? Yeah man, cause him rate umbre now. And him a make me know say them not have nothing from him. And some know say him a come home man. Oh, a good thing we have him on full side man.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Now, when you just hear the news clip and then on the ear, Mumma CHRISTIE attack say she have a police in the group where I give them information. But most of all, what we heard in these tape conversations is how broke and desperate these bumbucklad ONEDON gang is. I mean, if I was doing that, would I take my own life? Because there is no way I'm gonna do crime like that and we don't make no money. It is crazy. Now, them want to take the businessman guns. Them want to do this. Them want to say the man did run a piece of food on them. Yo, them not even know if to do extortion. The man them is a set of broke badness. And like me say, him is the king of broke badness, and Mumma CHRISTIE is the queen, unfortunately. Yo, I'm gonna play the rest of the video clip, and then you can give on the comments what you think about this, the king of broke badness, and remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear rebel, 306, Trini boss, truck boss, Westmoreland boss, all of the boss them, WhatsApp group. Big up all the subscribers. Countryman, I'm out. Listen to the rest of the clip.
I want to hold that boy as him. I rival me here, same day. Me you want chat to the G, man. Me fear make weed reach the G. All a phone the man want in a dog. Me I tell Squeeze I, him a go on like a under him foot, dog. If me get a banger, how it a go reach him? From it reach Paula, me can deal with it, man. Yeah, man. Me did I tell him to dig off some money off of the road tomorrow, buy. If I even thief a phone or take one of the man them phone, I'ma buy it back. Yeah. Me call the boy Peter. I go tell me say nothing now go on. If me I go pressure him cause me want take that piece there off of him. Who name Peter? Peter, a fit command. That big man there where they run a piece of money over there, man. I call me and say, Brock, you want $50,000 every week. Month end, something like that.
The witness later explained that CHRISTIE was getting information from a policeman connected with the Criminal Investigation Branch, CIB. In the meantime, the prosecution also tried to enter into evidence a voice note said to be from City Puss to the witness. But presiding Judge Chief Justice Brian Sykes intervened, saying the prosecution would have had to do more for the voice note to meet the evidentiary threshold prescribed by Evidence Act. According to Justice Sykes, City Puss, and not the witness, would have been the producer of that audio. The prosecution would have had to present other evidence, including proof the device used to produce that voice note was functional.